Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking it back to the north. Let's do this tofu, which is Awara, together. So we are going to be using soya beans. Here is my soya beans. I'll wash it and soak it for 1 hour before blending. You can as well blend it immediately, but I'll soak mine so that it will be easy for my blender to blend. Here is well soaked, so I'll be putting it in my blender, add water and blend. And I'm done blending. See how smooth, fluffy. So I'll add in water and mix it so that it will be light for me to sieve, because we are going to sieve it the way you do your akamu. That is how we are going to do this. So I add water so that it will be light for me to sieve. So here is my cheesecloth, so I'll be using it to sieve the soya milk out. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button. So I'll repeat the process till I'm done with all the soya milk. So here I'm done. The next thing is to put it on fire and allow it to boil. So I'll cover it for the first 10 minutes, then I'll uncover it so that it will not pour on fire when it's boiling. So I'll prepare my lemon that I will use to bring out the awara from the milk. You can use fermented akamu water or you use alum, but I'll be using lemon water. So my soya milk is on fire, still boiling. You have to allow it to boil very well before adding in the lemon. Anything slappy is what can help you to bring out the awara from the milk. You see now it's boiling very well. It's because I used my spatula to mix it, that is why it calmed down. It's actually boiling very well, so it's time for me to add in the lemon. So I'll allow it to still boil so that the awara will separate from the water. Just watch and you'll get everything. You can see it's getting separated. See the water. I'll still allow it to boil until the water come out clean. See how clean the water is. You can keep this water if you are using this for business. This water will be the next one that you will use next time. You don't need to use lemon again. This water is good for you to use next time. So I'll pack everything out inside my cheesecloth. I'll add in salt, then I'll add in raw pepper, mix it, then tie it very well for the water to drain out of it. Well, I want everything to come together, so I'll use my turning stick to tie the cheesecloth. You can see the way I'm pressing it. So I'll put it on top this plate, then use something to hold it down. See the water coming out of it. And here everything have come out. See how hard it is. So after cutting, it's now time to fry. If you have watched to this extent, that shows you love this video. Please hit the like button. And if you are new here, you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. So we'll keep on frying it until it's golden brown. Here I'm okay with the frying. I'll bring it out. And here is our awara. You can actually have it with yaji, or you do sauce for it. So if you have a leftover, just tie it this way, put it in your freezer and fry it anytime you want. So I'll be frying my sauce now. That is my groundnut oil. Then I pour in my onions. The next thing I add my pepper mix. I didn't add pepper to this. It's just red bell pepper and onions that I use, because we already add pepper in the awara. So I add in 1 seasoning cube and salt. That is green bell pepper. Then I'll add in spring onions. Allow it to fry. I'll now add in the awara and mix it. Then allow it to fry a little bit so that the awara can soak the sauce very well. I love mine this way than using it with yaji. Let me know in the comment section how you love eating your own awara. You can see how colorful and beautiful it is. If you are a lover of awara, let me know in the comment section. It's actually a northerner food. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. See you all in my next one. Bye.